Good morning. So today's video is about steps for planning a perfect vacation. The foundation of a good trip is the destination. So choose the destination that best suits your needs according to the weather, budget, tourist coverage, etc. Some place all your friends agree to. Good luck with that. Find all the spots that you would want to cover, eye-catchy or otherwise, like museum, monuments, beaches, sightseeing, etc. And do a thorough Google research. Now, to give a proper shape to your itinerary, join all the places nearby and group them by dates. Don't forget to include some extra time for stuff like waiting, commuting, looking for directions, getting lost, clicking random pictures, eating lunch, etc. Your highlight of your exhausting day, despite everything, is still going to be your hotel bed. So choose that wisely. Now paint the town red. So there you have it. You have a perfect itinerary, you've planned your vacation, and now you're ready to go outside and conquer the world. Start fantasizing, shopping, telling your friends about it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please.